Good morning. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been teaching driver's ed about 22 years. We're going to talk about a simple trick, how you can get back home if you're lost. When you're driving and you realize, oh crap, I'm lost. Don't panic. You want to get off at the nearest exit that you can. You want to look for a fast food restaurant. Usually those people live in the area that you're not sure of. You can ask questions. You can verify directions. Another alternative would be to ask a cab driver or a Uber or Lyft driver. Being lost can be a traumatic and scary experience. Trust me, we all have been lost. I've been lost in Chicago, and it's very scary, and in Wisconsin. You need to take some simple steps. You need to breathe. You need to relax. And then when you find yourself getting off on an exit, look for that fast food restaurant. I hope this brought you value, and if it did, subscribe to my channel. I do driving tutorials. I help you with anxiety, and I help you prepare for the driving experience. Thank you.